Welcome. Today in front of me the Realme Narzo 15. I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So now I'll just set here on the decibel the maximum mode, and this mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume of our device speaker here, so the value on this display then will change. So let's start. So as we can see, our Realme device reached 113.6 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.